If you're looking for a unique, spacious, single-level home in a quiet location, then 9 Inverness Place in Pridgeon Springs must be on your list of properties to view. Originally built as a display home, there are lots of extra features, soaring ceilings, and generous room sizes throughout. Built for entertaining, the heart of the home is the large open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area, which transitions to the outdoor entertaining and expansive deck to the pool. The position is tough to beat. You're in a quiet, no-through road with a cut-through at the end of the court to the duck pond, dog park, and children's playground. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to meeting you at the next open home. For those that are overseas and interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and we look forward to meeting you soon.